Nearly all sewing machines follow a similar flow to set up. To thread your machine, place your thread into its holder and ensure your thread goes through to each tension slot. It will normally follow a backwards U-shaped sequence. Thread the needle from the front to the back. Check your tension. Around 3 is a good position. To wind your bobbin, thread along the top of your machine. Place the bobbin onto the bobbin stand. Wind the bobbin by hand. Click the bobbin stand across and press the presser foot to wind on the thread. Your bobbin thread should be facing towards you when you pop it into the bobbin case. Pull out the tab to hold the bobbin in place. Put the thread through the tension slots and pull the thread to ensure it does not catch. The bobbin should not fall out and should be securely in place. The bobbin must be placed into the casing correctly. You should hear a click. Tap to ensure it will not fall out, as the thread will wrap around the casing if not securely in place. Hold on to the needle thread. Turn your flywheel to move the sewing needle to catch the bobbin thread and lift it through the sewing plate. You are now ready to start.